Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Today's episode, I'm going to take you to a childhood TV show called Gilligan's Island that I grew up with, and I enjoyed it a lot. In this TV show, there was a castaway of 7 members that were trapped on an island. So, what I thought of doing today's lesson was actually make a little hut that's kind of fun, that kind of could fit in that TV series. If you haven't seen it, you got to check it out. Once again, Gilligan's Island. It was really, really cute. I liked it a lot. All right, so let's put on our creative hats on. If you have a great pencil, which I know you do, mechanical or traditional pencil, any paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Was a fun lesson, and what can you take home from this? Well, simple. Today's lesson was actually a structure, a building, or rather not a building, a hut that was actually designed to be in the jungle. Now, you see this little hut? Now you can transform this to any different type of structure. You can have a little one here, a bigger one here, or a little longer one, taller one. Use your imagination and customize your hut in many different ways and have multiples. You could have a whole skyline of huts. That would have been a kind of a fun one to do. Anyways, I want to say thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.